Hello everyone, welcome back to my Glamlook channel. So I am going to share my red dress outfit. So I am wearing this beautiful red dress from Urbanic. मैं शेयर करूंगी आपके साथ कि मैं अपने बर्थडे के दिन कौन सा लुक क्रिएट कर रही हूँ. So keep on watching this video. First of all, I am going to apply a rainy Bollywood filter primer. Dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me. Paint my life into a masterpiece. Next, I'm going to use my Glam Super Serum Foundation. Coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Next, for a concealer, I am going to use my Glam Super Serum Concealer and Maybelline Concealer. Getting closer, I'm getting closer. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm going to use my Glam contour stick to contour my face. Now just to set the base, first I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Compact. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'll be using Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. Giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece. Coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Ooh.
I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them.
Next I am going to use Sugar Cosmetic 3-in-1 palette.
I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know
Now moving on to lips, I am going to use Swiss Beauty lip liner shade dark brown.
I'm the one who gets to be her. I see the signs that I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer, never lie.
Next for a lip, I'll be using Manish Malhotra lipstick shade red.
Stay in my eye, let the world follow behind. I know it's all how I make my mind. I'm the one who gets to decide. No, I'll never lie. Oh, I stay in my eye.
Lastly, I am going to use Lakme mascara.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. Ooh, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. Ooh, I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I'll align higher. I'm the one beating my heart's pattern. Follow.
Now this is my final outfit. It's pretty romantic. मैंने एक रेड ड्रेस पहनी है from Urbanic. So that's it for today's video guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it and will appreciate my effect and like कर दो वीडियो को, नीचे कमेंट करके बताओ बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो. Subscribe for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram for more updates and I'll see you next time. Bye. I love you all. Bye bye.